Greetings citizens of the world. Ebola is child of HIV. Ebola and AIDS spread through the body with the same mechanism. HIV, which causes AIDS, and Ebola, bud from the same cells which they infect. Both the viruses hijack cells of the body and inject genetic materials in the cell. As a result, the cells turn into a small virus factory. Before infecting the next new cell, the virus bud from the injected cell. It is really remarkable to see that two very different viruses share the same mechanism to bud. Both of them have been also termed by researchers as engineered viruses. Ebola causes hemorrhagic disease and kills nearly 2/3 of its victims within days. Both the viruses attaches to the T lymphocytes, the cells in the body that are responsible for the immune system. During the replication time period of these viruses, the T lymphocytes is disabled and then destroyed. As a result, even common infections such as a cold will become lethal. The HIV virus does not physically destroy the cells as fast as the Ebola virus. Hence, Ebola virus to infect a large amount of people with a bioweapon like the Ebola virus. Globalists like Ted Turner and Bill Gates have already stated publicly that they want a significant amount of our world's population reduced. Even as far as by 90%, all in the name of climate change and reallocation of resources. How could they accomplish such a feat without the aid of a bioweapon? And why or what in the world are they spraying? Biological agents. A virus is a small infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of other organisms. Viruses can infect all types of life forms, from animals, plants, to bacteria and archaea. Examples of common human diseases caused by viruses include the common cold, influenza, chickenpox, and cold sores. Many serious diseases such as Ebola, AIDS, avian influenza, human herpesvirus 6, HHV6, SARS, are caused by viruses. 98 million Americans contaminated with cancer virus. SV40 is a DNA virus that has been found to cause tumors and cancer. Soon after its discovery, SV40 was identified in the oral form of the polio vaccine produced between 1955 and 1961, produced by American Home Products. The SV40 virus is now being detected in tumors removed from people. HIV, AIDS, was spread by the hepatitis B vaccine, produced by Merck & Company during the early 1970s. It was the first time since the initial transmissions took place in 1972 to 1974 that a leading expert in the field of vaccine manufacturing and testing has openly admitted the Merck & Company liability for AIDS. The picture of United States of America is one of a criminal drug industry that has turned to mafia tactics in the absence of any real science that would prove their products to be safe or effective. Extraordinary evidence of bribery, scientific fraud, lying to regulators, and monopolistic practices. It makes no difference who they have to bribe, what studies they have to falsify, or who has to be threatened into silence. They will stop at nothing to expand their profit base, even if it means harming or killing countless innocents. GSK, GlaxoSmithKline, is a British multinational pharmaceutical, biologics, vaccines, and consumer healthcare company which has its headquarters in Brentford, London. In 2014, the company applied for regulatory approval for the first vaccine against malaria. The vaccine was developed as a joint project with the Path Vaccines Initiative and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. By the way, in addition to bribing physicians, GSK has plenty of money to spread around, bribing celebrities and others who pimps its products. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.